Double-hung Windows McLean is a popular choice for homeowners in McLean, Virginia, seeking both functionality and style. Our window installation warranty ensures peace of mind for all McLean residents. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, our services help reduce energy costs while enhancing the comfort of your home. Window replacement services in McLean, Virginia are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our custom window solutions cater to the unique needs of each client, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Our window repair experts in McLean are skilled in addressing any issues, from minor repairs to complete overhauls. Energy-efficient windows in McLean are a top priority for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Our residential window services include a range of options to improve your home's energy efficiency. We offer window maintenance services to keep your windows in top condition year-round. Double-hung windows, McLean VA, provide a personalized touch to any home. Our window frame repair services in McLean ensure that your windows remain sturdy and secure. For those in need of window glass replacement, our McLean VA team is ready to assist with high-quality materials and expert installation. Window hardware upgrades in McLean are available to enhance the functionality and security of your windows. Our window sealing services in McLean, Virginia, prevent drafts and improve insulation. We offer comprehensive window insulation services in McLean, VA, to keep your home comfortable in all seasons. Window design consultation in McLean helps homeowners choose the best window style options for their property. Our window measurement services in McLean, VA, ensure a precise fit for every installation. At Window Fitting Experts in McLean, Virginia, we guarantee a seamless installation process. Window cleaning services in McLean keep your windows sparkling and clear. Our window safety features in McLean VA windows provide added security and peace of mind. Noise reduction. McLean windows are designed to minimize outside disturbances, creating a tranquil indoor environment. Window weatherproofing in McLean, Virginia, protects your home from the elements and extends the life of your windows. Our window durability solutions in McLean windows ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. Aesthetic enhancements. McLean VA add beauty and value to your home. Ventilation options. McLean windows offer improved airflow and comfort. Our security upgrades. McLean, Virginia provide added protection for your home and family. With our installation warranty, McLean Windows, you can trust in the quality and longevity of our services. Double-hung windows. McLean VA are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. Our McLean, Virginia window experts are dedicated to providing exceptional service and quality. Energy-efficient windows McLean are an investment in your home's future, offering both savings and sustainability. Window repair. McLean, Virginia is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our residential windows. McLean services cater to all types of homes, ensuring a perfect match for your style and needs. McLean window maintenance is crucial for preserving the value and efficiency of your windows.